Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show how to send a Canva newsletter directly through email. Whether we are reaching clients, subscribers, or our team, Canva makes it simple to design and share a promotional newsletter. Let's get started. In the Canva newsletter dashboard, we go to the Share option. We can find the Share button in the upper right part of the page. Then we click Downloads. Here, we see PDF Standard as the default option. We need to click it and change it to PNG. Once we are done, we click Download. While it is downloading, we go back to Share. We click Share. Once we are in Share, we click the Public View link. After clicking, a public view link is created and we copy it. Next, we open a new tab and go to Gmail. Here, we compose a new email. For this example, we use Sample Gmail Newsletter. Now, we will upload the PNG we downloaded. We go to our files and extract the folder so the file is ready to use. Then, we upload it to our Gmail. We click Show Files, open the folder named Black and White Utility, select the file, and open it. Once that is done, we paste the link we copied earlier. We right-click and paste it into the email. Now, we add our recipients' email addresses and send the email. And that's it. Our Canva newsletter is ready to land in our audience's inbox.